Hello kids, welcome to our channel St. Xavier's School Hardoi. So dear kids, I'm again here with my new topic, that is world tour. So kids, first of all, would like to say you that please subscribe our channel, press the like button, share, and please hit the bell icon for the further notification. So let's start our topic, world tour. So first is, see what it is. It is Red Fort. What it is?
Red Fort.
Yes, Red Fort. Do you know where it is?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Ma'am, in New Delhi.
Yes, it is situated in New Delhi. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Okay?
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
one of the famous historical monuments in India. It is popularly known as Lal Killa in Hindi. What?
Lal Killa.
Yes, Lal Killa in Hindi. You can say it was made up of red sandstone and marbles, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you know New Delhi is the capital of India? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the capital of India?
Ma'am, New Delhi.
Yes. So, whenever you will visit New Delhi, must go to see Red Fort. Okay?
Ma'am, I have seen.
Very good. So next, just see next one. It is Colosseum. What it is?
Colosseum.
Yes. Colosseum is the largest amphitheater. You know what is amphitheater?
No, ma'am.
Amphitheater means theater in the round. So Colosseum is the largest amphitheater in the world. It is oval in shape. Do you know shapes? Oval shape you know na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so it is oval in shape and situated in Rome. Where?
Rome.
Yes, Rome. It has 80 entrances. How many? 80. How many?
80.
Yes, at 80 entrances inside it. Many rooms and passages also. Although 2/3 of the Colosseum has been destroyed. Have you seen?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is destroyed portion.
And how?
Yes, I am telling you, although 2/3 of Colosseum has been destroyed with effects of earthquakes and fire, etc. Understood? So, Rome is the capital of Italy, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the capital of Italy?
Rome.
Very good. So, let's see the next one. It is Wat Rong Khun. Which one?
Wat Rong Khun.
It is commonly also known as White Temple. What?
White Temple.
Yes, it is Buddhist temple located in Thailand. Where?
Thailand.
Yes, it is made up of white plaster which represent the purity, and it is covered with glass. Which? Glass. Okay, say it is
Glass.
covered with glass which represents wisdom of Buddha. So whenever you visit Thailand, don't forget to see this beautiful creature. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, I will tell you, Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. Which one?
Bangkok.
Yes. So let's go. Next. Wow. What it is, you know?
No, ma'am.
It is Tower Bridge. What it is?
Tower Bridge.
Yes. The capital of the city of the UK is London. What?
London.
Yes. And the Tower Bridge is situated in London. It crosses the river Thames. Which river?
Thin.
Thames. Thames.
Thames.
Thames.
Thames.
Near the Tower of London. Okay. It is a drawbridge which allows ships through the bridge deck when the deck raised in the center of it an angle. It is really a beautiful bridge. Okay.
ma'am.
Now see the next one. It is Russian White House. Isn't it? What it is?
Russian White House.
Yes. It is the house of the government of the Russian Federation. The building serves as the primary office of the government of Russia and is the official workplace of Russian Prime Minister. Now tell me, who is the Prime Minister of India?
मैम मिस्टर नरेंद्र दास मोदी.
Yes, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi.
Modi.
And who is the Prime Minister of Russia? Don't know. Okay, I will tell you. Mikhail Mishustin is the Russian Prime Minister. Okay?
मैम वो हु?
Mikhail
मिखेल
Mishustin,
मिशुस्टेन.
yes, is the Russian Prime Minister.
ओके मैम.
Yes. And Moscow is the capital of Russia. What is the capital of Russia? Moscow.
Moscow.
Yes. Let's go and see the next one. Wow, it's a train, isn't it?
Yes ma'am.
So, have you seen trains?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Many times.
Okay. It is a Shinkansen. What?
Shinkansen.
Yes, Shinkansen.
Shinkansen.
It is a Shinkansen, colloquially known as bullet train, is a network of high-speed railway lines in Japan. Okay? Understood? It was built to connect Japanese region with Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Okay?
Yes,
Bullet train, you know bullet train's top speed is 320 km per hour.
Oh.
This allow you to get to wherever you need in little time, isn't it?
Yes ma'am.
So students, whenever you will get chance to go Japan, you must enjoy it. Understood?
Yes ma'am.
So now the time of activity. Okay? So see, first one. Red fort is made up of red stone or yellow sandstone. Red sandstone or yellow sandstone. So Ajay, you tell the answer.
Ma'am, red stone.
Yes, red sandstone.
Yes ma'am.
Colosseum is a amphitheater or book.
Ma'am, amphitheater.
Yes, very good. Now, Mikhail Mishustin is the present Prime Minister of India or Russia?
Ma'am, Russia.
Very good. Let's see your answers. Very good. Amphitheater, it's also correct. Russia also correct. So, students, let's go for next activity. Match the following. Here you have to match. Okay. Tower Bridge. Where it is Tower Bridge? It is in Japan or London?
Ma'am, in London.
Yes, go and match it. Now, Ajay, you tell Shinkansen. Shinkansen. Where you can find Shinkansen? Japan or London?
Ma'am, Japan.
Very good. In Japan. Wet Ronkan. New Delhi, Rome or Thailand?
Ma'am, Thailand.
Yes. Acha, tell me Wet Ronkan commonly known as which color temple?
Ma'am, white.
Yes, white temple. Next, Red Fort. Where it is? In Rome or New Delhi?
Ma'am, New Delhi.
Very good. Colosseum. Where it is?
Ma'am, in Rome.
Very good. Let's see your answers. Yes, correct, 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 correct. Very good. Your all answers are correct. So, students, you all will prepare this chapter nicely. Okay? So, let's meet tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.